Hello guys from Better and Beyond Renovations Incorporated. As Anna told you over the phone, we are from GEO Marketing Consultant in Charlotte, North Carolina. We are working with contractors as well as remodelers all over the country like you, and we were doing some research in your area when we came across your listing, and then we checked your online presence. Following the call that you had with Anna, you told her that you are not that you are building your website now, and that you don't have a website. You only have a Facebook and an Instagram page. So on this customized video, I'm gonna give you some tips about how you can beat out your competition when you will have a website, but I'm gonna see you the paradigm of some other websites that work in your area and they outranking everybody else. And since I don't want to waste any more of your time or of mine, if by the end of this video you like what you hear and you'd like to know more about how I can help you bring on new customers, give me a call. If not, no big deal. Take the tips that I've given you today and use them and see how they work out for you. So let's get started. The three different topics that I'm going to cover today is content, citations, and backlinks. As I said, because you don't have a website on your own, we're going to go to the guy that ranks first in the organic section for the keyword kitchen remodelers, Flowery Branch, Georgia. So this is the guy, Tracy Tesmer, and when we say that when we talk about content in a website, we mean anything that's on a front page, including the pictures. Like in every website, but we are talking about a certain page now, so we're going to concentrate on the front page. The pictures are also saved with a name, so that is also considered to be content that is readable by the search engine. So you can utilize a picture by giving the name of a keyword. Content in a front page should be typically around 1,500 to 2,000 words, and although this might sound a bit wordy, it is what a front page should have in terms of word count to allow you to work in some keywords or key phrases that people are going to be using to search your business or search for someone that offers your services. If we look at the page word count of this particular page, it's not much. So this is usually what we come across with. We see pages that they don't have the necessary content, and that proves that content is something that in general web designers and website owners generally overlook. So the first tip that I want to give you, and you have to make sure that you have relevant keyword-rich content in your front page that is unique, so that the search engines can help rank your company as high as possible. Now, the second thing that I want to go over with you is citations. And as I said earlier, if we do a search in Google, basically about kitchen remodelers, Flowery Branch, Georgia, and we go to the map section, following the search query over here, we can see those three listings that are known as the Google Map Pack. You're going to get about 20% of your total calls by being in one of these places. And you do that by using citations, which are essentially your business's name, address, and phone number listed into different directories all throughout the internet. If we take a look at a special tool that we have at the agency, we can see how many citations do people have for the keyword research kitchen remodelers in Flowery Branch, Georgia. And we can see, for instance, that Stone Unlimited Kitchen and Bath has most citations. They have 55. Kitchen and Bath Eurodesign, they have 25. Tile Style, they have 21. So also we can also check. We have tools that we can check the ranking. So we have special tools here at the agency that we see who ranks and where for the keyword kitchen remodels and any keyword we want to have. So for instance, the one Georgia kitchen and bathroom remodelers, they're ranking like very high in the GMB. You can see their rankings over here. So what would be tip number 2 is that in order for you to beat out your competition and be on the map pack, you just need to go out there and find all the different directories that your competition is listed in and get in those same directories and then add a little bit more, because that is kind of what matters the most as how to rank your company here in the maps. And also you have to make sure that you make a GMB, like you have a company and you don't have a GMB, which is kind of strange. Like you don't have to necessarily have a website in order for you to rank here. You see all these guys, the first guy and this guy, they don't have a website and they're still ranking on their GMB. So this is something that you haven't done, and you should do it as soon as possible because it will help your business tremendously. Now, the third thing that I want to go over with you is backlinks. And backlinks have to do with the organic section found underneath the maps over here. And basically what a backlink is just a website that is sending a link back to your page. By using a tool that we have here at the agency, we are going to see all the different websites that are linking to the guy who is ranking in the first place. Because as I said, you don't have a website here for you to use it and compare it with the competition. But if we take a look at this guy has 240 referring domains, giving him over 1,1300 backlinks. And he's getting found for almost 1,100 keywords as a result that are bringing him 284 people on average to his website each month. So if we click on the keywords here, we can see those that are relevant to you. And because as I said earlier, in order for you to beat out your competition online, you just gotta rank for more keywords and in higher places like them. So here, for instance, we can do flowery. So we're gonna say we want to see the keywords that have the flowery. There are no keywords like that, but we can utilize it in order to search. We are searching all the keywords and we see which ones are relevant to us, relevant to the area we are, relevant to the area we want to go after, because it might be another area next to the one you are located. And we are utilizing and we're using these keywords to include them in our content. So this will help us because, as I said earlier, in order for you to beat out your competition online, you just gotta rank for more keywords and in higher places like those guys in order to outrank them. So that's all I got for you today. Hopefully this information has been valuable for you. Like I said, if you'd like to know more about how I can help you grow your business and bring you some more new customers, reach out to me and we can chat. If not, no big deal. Enjoy the free tips that I've given you, and just if you wouldn't mind giving me some feedback on how I did on this video. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Have a great evening and a great Memorial Day. Bye-bye.